Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to discover how to create orchids that are displayed in a glass vase. This adds a whole new twist to it, how you can see the root system and the soil. It's great to be able to have a drain field at the base as a humidity tray. So let's explore how to create these orchids in glass. Okay, to start off with, we're going to take the 6.5 inch Adorn Hurricane, and then we're gonna add a layer of the pebbles or river rock. So orchids don't like to have wet feet, and so this provides a drainage field and also kind of like a humidity tray. So that the orchid will draw water up through its roots, but it's not sitting in water. So the next thing we're gonna do is take a 4.5 inch orchid, and you can see here the pot size is very similar to this container. So I'm gonna take it out, and you can kind of just drop it in, and then you're gonna be able to replace, put in some of the orchid bark. And then we do have a orchid mix that we sell here at Lem Bush. The rocks, I've got them coming in 2 sizes, so it's a matter of which way that you would like the presentation to be. So let me just get the orchid bark tucked in here, and then we'll finish it up with a decorative element. So the next step in the process, once you've planted it, you can see you have that nice pebble layer. And for me, I've been doing orchids in vases for over 10 years. And it's kind of a foolproof method. And so you just teach people to water to the top of the rocks. They can see when the water's gone in the vase and be able to water your orchids. My husband can even do it. So then you know it's a foolproof method. So on here, right now it has some of the bamboo pieces that are holding up some of the stems. And just to get a little bit more decorative, what I'm gonna do is change them to some acrylic. And to support it, what we're gonna do is create a structure with the decorative aluminum wire. And so on here, very easily, you can use a jewelry tip needle nose to be able to create, just get it a start, and then you just come in and just wrap some loops around your finger to give it a little bit of character. And then we're gonna come in and bring at least one of the loops in through there, and then one coming down in the bottom. And then we're gonna come back and catch our orchid and come back through. And so you can see that's one side that I've done there. And then I'm gonna repeat that process for the other stems. So we got lucky today, and we have a 2 bloom orchid that we have here. Just really fabulous product. So I'm just gonna repeat this process again, just starting with a needle nose. Normally I would use the jewelry tip needle nose, but mine has managed to grow some legs, and so I just had a standard needle nose that I'm using right there. You can see that I'm just really fast creating some loops, and then we'll come in again with our replacement acrylic rod. Remove that bamboo one, give us a little bit more of a decorative look. And then I'm gonna catch that rod, give me a base. Once we get it on, you can see that you can make additional adjustments to that wire, and then you come through and just catch that orchid there. So now I'm just gonna come in and just make some adjustments to kind of give a little bit more graphic look to the wire so it's cohesive, kind of coming up and doing a great job to support our orchids in a little bit more designer look. And so this is a great way. Orchids are a great item for your customers, and you can teach them how easily they can care for them. It's a long-lasting thing, but I would encourage you to try orchids in glass.